This tutorial covers how to install a label spindle into the Ambir LP400 thermal printer. The spindle carriage comes with 3 pieces, 2 ends and a middle. When assembling the carriage for the spindle, you will put one end on and then you will insert the spindle into a roll of labels. Once you have inserted the label roll onto the spindle, you will attach the other end of the carriage and then insert into the LP400. When feeding the labels into the LP400, it is best to move the gray rails to the outer edge, insert the labels, and then move the rails back to the edges of the labels. Once you have fed the labels through to the outer edge of the LP400, you can close the lid. If you have any additional questions, you can reach out to us at 630-530-5400, option 3, or you can use our chat option on our website, which is www.ambir.com.